All right, what's good? No intro, no outro, just straight fire. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna go over one of my strategies that I use or utilize to get into the market. Um, if you watched my weekly outlook video, as you can see, I'm pretty much only gonna be trading EUR USD from quarter three on. Um, so I'm gonna show you pretty much an entry that is deemed very ideal for me, and I think this is actually really perfect because it kind of utilizes my smart money concept that I have along with my fibs. It utilizes a lot of things that I like to implement into my trading. So just starting off on a daily, and this is going to be something that happened in the past. It actually happened, excuse me, last week. And just to get an idea of like, around everything. So this is an area of consolidation on the daily, right? For me, this is really big for me in terms of smart money trading. I like to get my entries on the 30-minute. So, like I said, this happened last week. Now, last week, or not last week, the week before last. The week before last, we had something like this, right? Where this was a change of character. And for those that don't know what a change of character is, let me try to break it down for you. When price fails to make a new low or high. That is a change of character when price fails to make a new low or high. Now, the change of character is different from a break of structure because a change of character happens before the break of structure. So this would be a change of character when price fails to make a new low or high. You got it goes up, has your impulse down, goes up, has your impulse down. This did not make a new low. This was your low down here. Now, once price fully clears this area up here, right, pushes past through it, this area of resistance, now that will be a break of structure. But I need to wait for price to push past that area, right? To push past that area. Now, this is an entry model that I like to utilize. Change of characters and breaks of structure. And since I'm only going down to just trading EUR USD, I'm going to be implementing this a lot on every single time frame, mostly on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, no, daily, 4 hour, 30-minute, and 15-minute. Those are going to be the time frames that I really focus on in regards to uh, change of characters and break of structure because I can get in and get out of quick scalps. Now, let's say I had a change of character, right, where price failed to make a new low. And I'm assuming that price is in a bullish trend. Price is going up. All I have to do is wait for a pullback, right? Set an alert on my MACD right here. Once price dips below the zero line, I take out my modified fib, right? Mark out the 50%, and any order blocks below the 50% line are all fair game. So what I can do, and usually with this, I start whatever time frame that I get my change of character on, I go up a time frame. So going up a time frame from the 30-minute time frame puts me on the 45-minute time frame. This right here is the level of supply and demand. That is for play. And this right here is also a level of supply and demand. That's for play. Go to the 1 hour, just kind of refine it. All right, cool. So now from this point, all I'm doing is just refine it. So this is my 45-minute order block. This is my 30-minute order block. And all I'm doing is I'm not even modifying the bottom. I'm modifying the top, pulling it down to where I want it to be. Go down to the 20-minute, refine it some more. All right, can't really refine this anymore. Go down to the 15-minute, refine some more. All right, boom, on the 15-minute, this is ideally where my order block, where my 15-minute order block is, supply and demand. Go down to the 5-minute, And on the 5-minute, if I really want to refine it some more, I can aim for the top of this area right here. Ooh, no, that's not the top of that. Top of right here. That's the top. Right? So now I literally refined my order block from that change of character below the 50. This is assuming that I am aiming for the first order block. Now, if this level of supply and demand fails, then I'm aiming for this order block. And if it breaks below this, then that is another change of character, and I'll be looking for a sell side bias, right? So I'll go back to the time frame that I started off on, hit audio, and this is where I'm setting my pending order. Stop loss right below the order block. Take profit is going to be the previous high that price left out of. Because when you're trading smart money, you are trading ranges, right? You know, you have your expansions. This is the range. Ooh, my bad. You're trading expansions. This is the range that I'm trading out of. So unless price moves out of this range, I'm trading within this range, right? So now, boom, price hits me in, and then that's a 1 to 13, 13.83. Price hits take profit. So that's just kind of one of my entry models that I utilize in regards to change of character and breaks of structure and supply and demand. Hopefully this helps. It's extremely simple. You can use this on pretty much any pair. So yeah, hopefully this helps.